Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning different and more natural ways to say, I am sleepy, in English. If you use only, I am sleepy, no worries, after this video, your English will sound smoother and more expressive. Let's jump right in. 1. I'm feeling sleepy. This is the closest to the original, but it sounds a bit more natural. Example, I'm feeling sleepy. I need a nap. 2. I'm drowsy. This one means you're not just sleepy, you're struggling to stay awake. Example, this class is making me drowsy. 3. I'm about to fall asleep. Perfect when your eyes are already closing. Example, don't talk to me, I'm about to fall asleep. 4. I'm exhausted. This means you're extremely tired, and sleep is the next step. Example, I worked all day. I'm exhausted. 5. I'm ready for bed. Very natural, especially at night. Example, it's been a long day. I'm ready for bed. 6. I'm nodding off. This means you're starting to fall asleep unintentionally. Example, I'm nodding off at my desk. 7. I could use some sleep. A friendly and polite way to say you really need to rest. Example, after that trip, I could use some sleep. And that's it. Now you know several natural ways to say, I am sleepy, in English. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's always sleepy. See you in the next one.